Bismillah, words we find. B is Bismillah, words we find. C is for clean, shiny and bright. C is for clean, shiny and bright. D is for dua, day and night. D is for dua, day and night. E is for eight, joy all around. E is for eight, joy all around. F is for friends, love we have found. F is for friends, love we have found. G is good deeds, helping each day. G is good deeds, helping each day. H is halal, the good way. H is halal, the good way. I is Islam, peaceful and true. I is Islam, peaceful and true. J is Jannat, waiting for you. J is Jannat, waiting for you. K is for kind, hearts full of care. K is for kind, hearts full of care. L is learn, knowledge we share. L is learn, knowledge we share. M is masjid, peaceful place. M is masjid, peaceful place. Come along, keep the pace. Come along, keep the pace. N is for Noor, shining so bright. N is for Noor, shining so bright. O is obey, do what is right. O is obey, do what is right. P is for prayer, 5 times a day. P is for prayer, 5 times a day. Q is Quran, guide our way. Q is Quran, guide our way. R is respect, young and old. R is respect, young and old. S is share, caring and kind. S is share, caring and kind. T is thankful, say Alhamdulillah. T is thankful, say Alhamdulillah. U is Ummah, together inshallah. U is Ummah, together inshallah. V is values, good and true. V is values, good and true. YU is wudu, fresh and new. YU is wudu, fresh and new. X is extra, good deeds we do. X is extra, good deeds we do. Y is Ya Allah, we call to you. Y is Ya Allah, we call to you. Z is Zikar, hearts feel light. Z is Zikar, hearts feel light. Alhamdulillah, and just right. Alhamdulillah.